Listen, a lot of people think credit repair is just sending letters and hoping something gets removed, but that's not what this is. This is about understanding the law and actually using it. And one of the most important sections you need to know is 15 USC section 1681e subsection B, which basically says your credit report must be accurate, but not just accurate, it has to meet what the law calls maximum possible accuracy, meaning not close enough, not kind of right, but fully correct, complete, and not misleading. So if someone on your report has the incorrect name, wrong balance, wrong dates, is duplicated, incomplete, or even reported in a way that makes it look worse than it really is, that can be a problem under this section. And this is where you start using it to your advantage. You pull your reports using annualcreditreport.com, use a credit monitoring app. I'll drop a few in the description for y'all, or you can use Credit Karma and Experience Free Mix. Then you go line by line and check everything, not just your score, but every account, every detail. And if anything's off, you don't just say, this is wrong. You use the law and say, this information does not meet the maximum possible accuracy standard required under 15 U.S. Code 1681e subsection B, and you're requesting it to be corrected or deleted. Then you send that dispute certified mail with return receipt so you have proof. And now if they come back and don't fix it, they don't do a proper investigation or leave inaccurate or misleading information on your report, you're no longer just trying to fix your credit. Now you're dealing with a potential violation. And that's where your leverage really comes in. So understand this. Your credit report is not allowed to be mostly right. It has to be right all the way. And once you start moving like that, you're not guessing anymore. You're using the law in the way it was meant to be used. As always, tap in with me. Y'all stay safe and be blessed. Peace.
Dropping, jogging, salt, and we apply the pressure. For the people, we move smart.